Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Weirdo, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys this Lego gun. It doesn't actually shoot any bullets, but it does have a trigger and the sound. So it's really, really smooth, which is one thing that I like about it. You can take this and it can like slide into stuff, like to hang it or whatever. Though it does have a few rare pieces. So yeah, let's get building it. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll start with this piece. This piece is basically a 1x4. Sorry, a 1x4 plate, and this 1x3 curved with this clip, and then it's just one of these pieces, and then 2 bricks, 1 plate, and a G-slope. Then there's this piece which goes in front of it. And then the gun, it's just made of a pretty long Technic beams connected by 1x2 pins. And then it's smoothed off with a few jumper plates on top to hold these pieces on it. And then this slope goes into that, so. And then I smoothed it out on the side, and to make sure the handle doesn't really come off, I used these, I don't know what they're called, but some kind of bracket piece. And then for the G-slopes going downward, I used these pieces for both ones. This is a 1x3 axle with this, and then it's just a rubber band connecting to that. I used a 1x3 plate to make the clicking noise. But yeah, you guys can design it however you want. But so some other things. But so yeah, it's I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 studs long, and I think a few bricks tall. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.